Hello guys. So in our programming series, logical programming series question, this will be our fourth question, and the question will be we have to count the number of digits in any given number. So to count, write a program to count the digits, number of digits in any given number. Okay, so we have to count the number of digits in any given number, and so what we have to do, in example, the number will be 765. So what we have to do, output will be, we have to count it like there are three digits, 5, 6 and 7. So how many digits are there? There are three digits. So what we have to do, we have to count this. Okay, so basic idea for doing this program is, let number is 765. So what we will do in the last program, in which we have to make the sum of digits of any number. So what we have to do, we extracted 5, deleted, added, deleted. We extracted 6, added, deleted. We extracted 7, added, deleted. But here what we will do, we will extract it, count it, and delete it. Then again we will extract, then again what we will do, we will extract the 6, count it, and delete it. And then again we will extract 7, count it, and delete it. Okay, so what we have to do, basic idea is, only we have to delete one by one. We have to delete one by one, and we have to count it. We do not need to make sum, we do not need to make product, we do not need to store anywhere. We just simply need to delete it. Delete last digit and count it. Delete one more last and delete it. And delete 7 and count it. So by this we can get the number of digits in any number. And what, till when we have to do the same. First we will extract 5 and delete it, so 76 will be there. Then again we will count 6 and delete it, so only 7 will be there, and we will delete the 7 and count it. So we have counted 3 times, but at last digit will not be greater than 0. So till when we have to perform the operation? While n greater than 0, we have to perform the operation. Let's come to the program. We have created main method, and let number is int n is equal to 765. Okay, so we will create the method. Okay, so number of digits n. Okay, number of digits in n we will count. Why it is showing here? Because we have called this method, and the method which is called is must the method which is called must be created. So we will create this method. And what the return type of this method? The Actually we are counting the number. Counting the number means we will get the integer value. So the return type of this method will be integer. Okay, so inside the class we will create a new method. New method will be int static integer, and what the name of our method is? Number of digits. So let the same name, number of digits, and in this number we are passing integer n. Okay, so what it will do, it will count. So we have to write the program here. Okay, first we will initialize our count variable from 0. Why we are initializing it from 0? Because when we will extract or we will delete 5, we will count it. So when we will count it, so we will count it as a 1. Okay, we will count it as 1. So why? Because of this we are initializing count value from 0. When we will delete 5, I mean we will delete one digit, so we will add, or we will increment this count value by 1. Okay, so that's why we are initializing our count variable from the 0. And while n greater than 0, till n greater than 0, what we have to do, we have to count, we have to do two operations. First, we can delete it and increase the count, or we can increase the count or delete it, anything we can do. So first we will increment the count, okay, and delete it. N is equal to n by 10. In the last program I have told you that for the deletion of the last digit of any number, what we have to do, we have to divide by 10. We have to divide by 10. So what it will give, it will give the quotient value. Like if there is any number 765 and we will divide it by 10, so what it will give, it will give, what it will give, it will give quotient value will be 76 and the remainder value will be 5. So for getting the remainder value, what we have to do, we have to use modulo operator. But here what we want to delete 5 last digit because we have deleted and counted it. So what we have to do, we have to delete 5, and what we want only 76. So we are using this divide operator. Okay, so divide operator will give the quotient only, and quotient will be the 76. Okay, and again, and this will be the whole process to do this, to count the number of digits. Okay, but before ending the program, we must have to write the return statement. In every program I told you that if there is any return type in except void, if there is any return type except void, then we must have to write the return statement. Okay, so return which type, what we have to return, return count. Okay, because we are counting and we are storing our count value in a count variable, so what we will return, we will return count. First it will count the number of digits and then we will return count. So count, this method is returning which value, count value, integer value, and we are calling the method here. Okay, so we are calling this method here and passing our number at. So this method is counting digits in our n. So let's suppose this method has counted digits of 765 and this method is giving our value and the value will be 3. So what we have to do, we have to print that value. Okay, so we have to print that value. So we will use print statement and it will print our number of digits. Let me run the program. Okay, so we have taken 765 number, so the output will be 3. Okay, so let me check for another number. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. Let us run the program. Okay, so there is 6 output. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can contact me on Telegram ID. I will clear all of your doubts. Okay, thank you.